keys. Where are my keys at? Let me see my keys. I don't see my keys. Honey, have you seen my keys?
Have you checked your pocket?
Mom, have you seen my keys?
No, I don't have your keys. They're not attached to me.
Genesis, you have my keys? Hey, Jaden, do you know where my keys are at?
Yeah.
No? Shh, come back for my keys. Is that the garage opening? The heck is who's in my car? The heck? Who is in my car? What? What are you? Wait. Oh no! You got my keys. Where do you think you're going?
The Universal Studios.
Universal Studios? Wow, you trying to drive the R8. I see you. What up, world? Welcome back to the episode of Skinny's World. You see the title, see the thumbnail. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yes, upgrade is finally coming to the Batmobile. I can't wait till you guys can see what's going on. I'm not going to tell you until we get there. I'm pumped. I hope you're pumped. I'm excited. I hope you're excited because guess what? It's going to get louder. It's going to get mean. It's going to be the big green R8 machine, if you know what I mean. Hey, I should get a record deal. Somebody sign me. That was a hot rhyme. I did not write that down, trust me. So without further ado, like I always say, let's just get right to it. Let's not waste any time. Let's just get to where we're supposed to be so you can see what the upgrades are. Ready? Let's go. Well, I am pulling in. Where am I going? Yes, AW Designs. May give you a hint of what's going down. Just saying. Ooh, McLaren action. Woo! They got projects. Quick fast forward, guys. It is nighttime. They're working hard on the exhaust. As you can see, car's finally done. Let me show you the stock exhaust. The stock exhaust is garbage on this car. Look how huge this thing is. Enormous. Look at this thing. Wow. I can tell the previous owner. Yeah, they bent it. Look how trash this stock exhaust is on the second gen R8. That is horrible. Look at that thing. They bent the crap out of that exhaust. That means they had a custom exhaust on it before and rushed to put this on. I think it's terrible. So we're definitely gonna upgrade. I can't wait to hear it. I haven't heard it yet and I'm excited. First startup. Here we go. Yes, we in the game. Stock boys are gone. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's wow. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Told you.
That's crazy.
I couldn't send it to you.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. You guys gotta hear this in person. This is crazy. Is that open or closed? You guys have no idea how loud this is. Oh my god. Holy. Dude, that is crazy. Oh my god. That's nuts. What's even crazier is when it goes in sport mode, it gets even louder. That's nuts. Wow. Custom titanium exhaust. AW Designs. Shh. Made in the USA. We going for a spin. All right, you guys are in for a treat. I'm just telling you. Right now, this is gonna be nuts. Oh my god. This is crazy. Yo. This is sick.
I told you.
This is sick. All right.
Told you.
I don't doubt my man, but sometimes you get amnesia. You forget. This is ridiculous.
Got too quick.
I did forget too quick. That's what it is. You get amnesia, you forget too quick. That's the new line. Why not? That's like not even fair. Don't mind us. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get some downshifts. Here we go. Yeah, that's nasty. Oh my gosh! This is crazy. Dude, I love it. Everyone's gonna hate me, and I love it. Oh my god! Alex, this is ridiculous, dude. I'm serious. I am not faking this shit for the vlog. This is real. Oh my gosh.
You don't half-ass shit, man.
Oh my gosh.
Just lay on it.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. All I can do is laugh. It's like, it's funny. Like it's so, wow. This is nuts. Oh my god. This is stupid. Man. Oh my god. Wow. We are out on our own. Come on, world crew. Let's go. We're in the game. Headed home. The wifey is not going to be happy. I'm telling you right now, she is not going to be happy about this, but I'm so happy. Let's get that buckle up. Safety first. All right, guys. Not too far from the crib. Snap, crackle, and straight pops. All day long, baby. Snap, crackle, and pop. I think we're coming up to a tunnel, a little mini tunnel. Can we get a downshift one time? Uh-oh. Yes. Oh, yes. All right, guys. It is the next day after the exhaust install. Right now, what I'm gonna take the wifey on a little spin with the new exhaust and get her reaction to it. It's fire. I know you guys have heard it, but it's fire. But wait till she hears it. She's gonna freak out because it's fire. Hot fire. So she's about to come out right now. We're gonna take her for a little spin around the block. Then we'll talk about the exhaust after that. Hang on tight. Oh man. Taking forever. Time to roll. Watch her face. Face is gonna be epic. Let's get her expression on the cold start real quick. All right, honey. Valves are closed. Doesn't sound too bad, right? Doesn't sound too bad?
Well, you just vibrated the whole house, so I don't know about that.
Oh, come on, man. All right. All right, we'll do a quick drive with the valves closed first. See what it's like here.
You don't want me to drive it?
Excuse me?
You don't want me to drive it?
Not happening. We saw how that worked out. I almost had a heart attack. So valve's closed. Not bad, right?
No.
Sounds normal?
Yeah, they're not gonna kick us out of the neighborhood.
Definitely not gonna kick us out of the neighborhood. All right, I'm gonna open the valves now. It's on comfort mode. Now watch this. Here, open a little.
Okay. I trust you. Oh my god! Shots fired! Shots fired!
How are those back crackles?
Oh my goodness. They definitely kicking us out of the neighborhood. Where are you going?
I'm just gonna go down the street.
Oh.
All right.
Neighbors. Don't scare
How's that?
them. Oh my god.
You like it?
You are like a kid on Christmas.
Come on.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Everybody. Bang, bang, bang.
They gonna pull us over.
Bang, bang, bang.
Oh, our poor neighbors.
It's not bad, right? Sounds pretty good. Nice and deep. Like you like it?
Like I like it or like you like it?
Oh no, I don't like it deep. You definitely like it deep.
Why does he always gotta go there? Oh my goodness. They kicking us out for sure.
Shooting everybody in here, boy.
Oh my goodness.
Everybody's getting shot. Everybody's getting shot.
Okay, everybody needs to stop.
What are your thoughts? Do you like it? Was it a good investment?
Sure.
I think it was a good investment. Made in the USA. What'd you say? What'd he say? What'd he say? Did you say sick golf cart? And he's in a Subaru? There's your golf cart, homeboy.
Garage.
All right, honey.
Let me out of here.
Final verdict. American made titanium in the USA.
I am very glad you're happy.
Yes, I am very happy.
No
So I got
more-
your approval?
Sure.
Got the approval. That's all I needed was the approval. All right, guys, it's my neighbor calling right here. I'm gonna give him the new experience with the titanium exhaust. See what he thinks. He's ridden it before, stock exhaust. That's a whole new ball game with the aftermarket. We gonna see. You're gonna like it, I'm telling you. Now it's in comfort. Okay. So this is, everyone don't get mad at me. They won't ban me from the neighborhood. All right, everybody. All right. Switching in dynamic. Opens up a little bit. I know you heard that open.
Yeah. Definitely louder.
And everybody gets shot. Straight gunshots all day. This is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Loud and deep. That's crazy. All I do is laugh. I'm telling you.
That sounds so good.
It's really deep, huh? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh man. All day long. Shooting everybody. Everybody's getting shot. You wanna get shot? Shot. Big difference, I'm telling you. It's a big difference. Huh?
Definitely.
Way different?
Way
Oh
different.
my gosh. I just laugh every time. That's all I do. That's all I do. Oh man. See? Everybody loves it. Over here playing with his truck. Well, Daddy talks about his cars. What are you doing? What you building?
Building a monster truck show with all of my trucks. Did the show up and play with my monster trucks.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm glad that everybody loves exhaust because I'm in love. But let's talk about this exhaust real quick. So one, I want to thank my boy Alex from AW Designs. He hooked me up with this exhaust. It's his. He designed it. Made here in the USA. Sickest thing is, yes, it's titanium. Titanium. Yes, it is. You don't know why it's a big deal? Google it. Yes, it's Valvetronic. So the valves open and close just like my stock exhaust, which I love, so I won't get picked on by the popo. So when the valves are closed, it's 2.5 inches of tubing straight through the pipes. When the valves are open, straight piped, essentially, it's 3 inches through. So that's why this thing screams, and screams. It's so loud. I love it. But like I said, USA made. I am happy. I'm happy. You guys see, we're making moves. I told you guys. I told you I wouldn't let you down. I said exhaust first, tune second, third. I can't remember what I said was third. Was it rap? I'm not sure. I'll have to go back and check it. You know what's coming second is the tune. Yes, tune is coming next. So don't be surprised in a couple of vlogs if I pop up on you, bam, and we're tuning the car. But I'm excited. I hope you guys like the exhaust. Hope when you see it out in the streets and you hear it, you'll like it even more. Because trust me, it will not disappoint, I promise you. But just like that, I'm going to end this vlog, guys. Once again, thank you, Alex, AW Designs, for the exhaust, for the install. Appreciate everybody who watches the videos. Everyone, subscribe, like, turn the bell notifications on. Join the movement. I mean, you see the shirt, you see the merch. It's coming. World Crew, join the movement. Skinny's World, y'all. And we out.